feeding the goats. Yay! Did you like feeding them?
Good job, Mary Jane.
You want another one? Yeah? Sierra, you want to do it?
Want to do it, Sarah? You want to feed the goats?
Yay! Okay, what about Sierra? Come on, Cece, you can do it. Come here, baby. Here. You do it.
Go.
No, not for you. Give it to the goats. Ready? I'm going to do it with you, okay? Hold on really tight. You're okay. I think she's nervous. Come here.
Come on, Cece, you can do it.
Yay!
Good job,
Yay!
Cece. Yay.
B. Okay, well, I'm going to videotape one. Feed the old guy. Yeah!
Oh my God.
You want more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Get him, Mary Jane. Get him, Mary Jane. Get him. Take notes. Get him, Mary Jane. Get him.
So funny.
Get him. Get him, Mary Jane. Get him. Picturing him. He knows that she's following him. Get him.
Oh.
Don't chase after those, no.
That duck is like running hardcore.
You want me to chase?
Okay, MJ, come on. You're gonna feed them? Oh! You are brave, baby girl.
Look at Cece, she's just holding on.
Oh, hello. Get away from my toes. Do you want to feed them? You done?
You're done.